Hi there, it's Jason from Order Systems and Matt from Crestron here today. And we're looking at how we can solve the problem where there are lots of Crestron touchscreens out there run on the Cresnet 4-core cable, wanting to upgrade to the new IP Crestron touchscreens, but they don't want to have to rip out the cables. So what we have here is a couple of things. We've got a Crestron Home touchscreen that we have basically chock blocked from the RJ45 into the Cresnet cable, long run of it here, and then back at this switch we've chock blocked it back together again here. This is a special Ethernet switch from NVT Phybridge. This will do 100 megabits per second with 30 watts power PoE up to 100 meters on any old cable. Four conductor cable like this, or 6 or 8 conductor, could be telephone wire, or it could be this sort of Cresnet cable, and we get 100 megabits per second. We can go down to 2 conductors, but you lose the PoE, and then you'd have to power it locally. We can actually go up to 600 meters, but you do need to use this adapter at the far end, and that is how you'd power it locally if it's under 2 conductors. So lots of solutions here. The proof in the pudding. We've also hooked up a 2N door station on the main network side, and if I ring the bell, then we've got video intercom to the Crestron touchscreen over here, coming over our Cresnet cabling, which of course if I answer it I'm going to get horrible disgusting feedback. So we've got a solution for you guys. If you've got Cresnet cabling and you need to upgrade to the new IP touchscreens from Crestron, then we've got a solution for you. Contact Matt or myself. Thank you very much for listening.